All right, guys, I'm Ryan Raymond, and this is my YouTube channel, and I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, do the notification things. Those are really cool, and it helps get the videos seen by more people. What I want to talk about is how I sold the products on Amazon without holding any inventory. How this worked is I used a program called Merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon is a platform that lets you sell t-shirt designs, products, and other things on Amazon. Amazon prints it for you, ships it, fulfills it, and sends it to your customer for you, handles returns, and they send it to their customer, and then once a month they send you a check. How does this work? Amazon has it. It's kind of like a gaming system. It'll start with a tier 10. You get to upload one product, and that's all you get to upload, one a day until you have 10 uploaded. So once you've sold 10 shirts, then you get upgraded to tier 25, then tier 100, then tier 500, 1000, 2000. I started this in July 2018. So you can see here my first month, I sold 85 shirts. Second month, I only sold 40. 35 of these this month were for a family reunion. So if you're looking for ways to break out of the lower tiers, find people who are doing family reunions this summer, offer to make their shirts for them, set it at cost, and give it to them. It'll help you guys break out of the lower tiers. Because think of it like a video game system. Every sale counts as another slot you get to upload for. The more you can upload, the more chances you are to catch something that's going to work. So some of you are asking, like, how do I do this? What is there really to do here? You have to apply. If you were brand new, you're going to come here. You're going to say request an invitation, and it's a simple form. Put in your information. You have to provide them your banking info. You got to tell them who your bank is. They're going to verify that you're a legitimate person. And then you have to complete your tax info. At the end, there's some basic questions about what's your experience creating designs, what's your experience selling, and some links to your portfolios. Just be honest. If you don't get in, reapply. So go to merch.amazon.com. Got a lot of tutorials on how to do research on this. But this is the first time I wanted to do an overview video for new people. You go through, you apply. 7 days, pretty quick now. So get in, get applied. All right, so back into it. What is Merch by Amazon? Some people will come here, they'll say, I want to find a funny shirt for my dad. Start to notice that there's a lot of blanks that have a similar format. So this is a Merch by Amazon shirt. This is not. But not only do you get to sell the t-shirts though, we now get to sell several other products. And let's research and create a product. Show you guys how easy this is. How do you actually do some research? How do you do this? How do you figure out what's going to sell? I don't like looking on Amazon. I like looking Google. And so we'll just go to, I'm already on Google. That happens. Sometimes you do that. Sometimes you do dumb things and type in Google to go to Google. We're human. Well, let's find apparel stores. Men's and women's clothing. Let's see what express.com is. I am seeing it more and more. A ton more simple, plain text. The white with just black is seeming to be the women's theme. What is the message they're conveying? We're not going to go make these shirts. So these are positive women's shirts. Positive inspirational messages for women. So let's think about it. What could we do? So let's make one quick. Come up with a couple of ideas, and then I'm going to list them. We're going to go through and we're going to keyword it, and we're going to list it. All right, so if I did this right, you guys will now see my iPad screen instead of my computer screen. So I'm using Over for some text here right now. And this is just it's a free app you can use, and you can use the fonts in it up to 400 sales. These are fonts I've got in here. Powerful, beautiful, smart, perfect. I think that kind of works. I didn't make what I saw. I just made this up. That's how you create unique products on Amazon. Turn this off, 5400. Save that to photos. And I had said the black seemed to be doing well, so we're going to edit it. And we're just going to do it with black. I mean, this is simple, guys. This is a simple way to make a t-shirt design. This is where I started. Plain text, just going into Over, typing out ideas, words, phrases that I would just sit here and I'd make 20 or 30 of them and then upload them all. So I got the black one first, throw that into there, throw that into the hoodie, let that start doing its thing. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do the black on the white, and we're gonna use light colors. We can now upload 10, we used to only be 5. So we're gonna do this on some of these other colors that just, it looks good on. Now I've been pricing a little bit lower, I've been $13.85. It's just where I've been pricing right now, guys. You don't have to. You can price wherever you want. And see here, it tells you what the royalty is at these levels. So this is how you decide how much money you want to make. At $19.99, you'll make $5.23 when this product sells. And I always still list it on the premium t-shirt. And so this one I sometimes do some different things with it. You know, the colors are a little bit different with the premium. They look a little bit different. V-neck t-shirts, $15.85. And I'm okay with listing them on the men's, guys, because there are women who prefer to buy it in the men's fit. Sometimes the women's ones are smaller. $15.85 on my tank top. $19.85 gives me $1.55 on the long sleeve shirt. I'm doing $19.85 on the new Raglans. I like that. The sweaters and hoodies, I start at $29.85. Powerful women and girls. Just keep it simple there. Perfect. Smart, beautiful, powerful. Smart, powerful, beautiful, perfect girl. We're going to say woman. This black, I'm going to describe the design of our smart, powerful, beautiful, perfect woman design is perfect for strong women who love and support their daughter's growth with a fancy script like font. There we go. We described the design. This is black. It's got words, and that's it. It is perfect for girls and women who are proud to be a woman. Female. There we go. The other thing I'm going to do is click our brand name to see more amazing products. We're not done yet. We're going to copy this into here. We're going to copy this into here. You can add more into here, guys. You can definitely add more. It seems to be they're definitely wanting you not to describe the product, but definitely who it is for. Don't call it a Christmas shirt if it's got a jack-o'-lantern on it. You know, don't say it's a good Christmas present when it doesn't have Christmas on it. I think those are some things that people miss. You click review, and then you wait for people to search for it. Let's have a good night. Thank you.